Bese sikwesitri but mangibuze lebe esifobe ngokugcina. I think it's about too much.
I want the fifth one also.
Alright, so
Yes.
would you rather talk with the animals or speak all foreign languages?
How with the animals, my friend? We are human beings, we can understand. I watched Squid Games without subtitles.
Serious?
I understood, even though I wasn't hearing
From
word for
from
word,
my
like,
actions.
but you can understand. So with foreign language, I can go to Messi and he understands me when I'm speaking, even though you won't understand fully, but you can never
Yeah,
understand
but
an
memenzo
animal
city
fully.
messing ela ipicha.
He will understand somehow.
Alright,
But
so
an animal, you can never understand an animal just at all.
but talking with the animals is good.
It's
Like imagine
great.
inyoka sikuluma
Imagine.
uthando tabana ngathi sijeme yobona uyabona ugogo labayo ugogo uthe ngiphathe ikoti
Wait.
adlale. But yabona something like that.
Exactly.
Yeah, lama would rather talk with the animals.
Yeah.
Like so imagine sen negotiate a good negotiation lezilwane
Imagine.
sen tucharazo lapha
Imagine.
sakwachiza ubigweni. Just joking. Alright, would you rather win iLotto or live once or live twice as long?
I'd rather win a lot.
Kanjani uthe vele zokuphila uzobefika 100 bona manjanja.
Where's 300 years?
I'm now live
Imagine my
twice.
people dying.
I would live
Watching my
twice.
people die.
Twice as long.
No. It sucks.
Twice as
Because
long.
you die, see your siblings die, see your children die, see your
yeah, that's
grandchildren
painful
die,
though. That's
see
painful.
your great-grandchildren die. So, no.
Yeah, you have a
I'd
point,
rather
but
win the lottery. Should go play.
Gigi.
Yeah.
Alright, the last segment, Nyama riddles.
Okay. How
The
riddle?
first one, it's really simple. It's really simple. It's really simple.
So where are you going? Hey.
The second
why
one,
is this shit getting hot?
ngiyethi say second one because lami ngabe ngingabona ngi-answer bengayazi. Alright, the first one is what gets smaller every time you take a bath? Simple.
Soap.
Yeah, like it's very simple. It's really simple. Hey,
But even the pom pom gets one.
The what?
Continue.
yeah, doodles and chanting. So pure. I'm wanting girl first thing in the morning. Hey, last time Alright, cool. Hey,
Yeah,
Jesus. Alright. Why do cats make good warriors? Oh yeah. Why do cats make good warriors? Because I know the answer, that's why I get chilled.
Does my cat do it?
What?
Does my cat do it?
Do what?
The answer.
Yeah, like it goes to all the cats.
Because it meows?
What?
What? Because it's loyal.
Nah. Nope.
But my cat is loyal, don't
But
forget.
that one sounds good, but that's not the answer that I want.
Right, that's
Why
the
do
answer.
cats make good warriors?
Because they can.
I know. Tap out.
I'm trying to look for the clue in your face. Don't do it to that face.
Alright, tap out.
Tip out.
You're tapping. Tap again. Tap again.
Ah, come on.
Because they got 9 lives.
Do they though?
I don't know. Like imagine ulama warriors ale 9 lives. Uyamdubule thuche sengangani.
Ah, uyabazi wena labo ama-Russian afike
Eqede yonke ama 9 lives. Mese fa ibomba lawo le njani njani.
Gawadi uhle udizove yoke.
Alright, le ngiyocina. What comes down but never goes up?
What comes down but never goes up?
Yeah.
Rain. Come on.
Dang, you is good. So out of 3 you got 2.
Yeah.
So that explains why you were the top 5 student.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's only a few artists that are smart like us.
Like us. Like me.
Like us.
Gosh.
Because where now you take all of this from me. Like Intole, it's really contagious. You understand? When you mingle with people like me, let me preach.
Izimi yonke ilalela music yakho, including the diaspora. It's not like our people bagcwele kangako we have 10K Zimbabweans living in Europe at once. No. Come on.
So njothi khona ukuthenga ukhona
lapha. They pay for their craft, which is okay. Because vele sesibhadalele ama-subscription and which is okay. But ungasihophi ucabanga ukuthi those 100K are actual people. No, we know that there are robots here and there.
Dang. So these people, they pay for stuff.
They pay to get paid.
That's true. And like ngitshona ngizibuza how that stuff works. If umuntu eseyenze njalo, aku-affect i-platform yakho?
It doesn't.
Because there's someone who approach phone thengisela Instagram followers and
God, it's scam. Because those are robots. Those are accounts made by people. Sometimes it's run by a robot. Ever noticed how ama influencers are money? All of a sudden, hey, account yami blockiwe. Hey, bayihekile. No. The app will notice ukuthi most of the people that follow you are robots. And they'll see you as a scammer. Because there is no way an ordinary notable can have 20K followers over a night.
Yeah, it's not.
It's not possible.
It's not possible.
Remember, I'm a company. It's not something. Hey, that's a company. They assess everything every time. Every single account is assessed. You don't get with the thing a notable when I use that to 900.
Yeah, very
It make sense.
Akuphumi.
And you one at the engagement, you're calling, okay, you have 20K followers, but you hardly get more than 500 likes in any of your posts. Because
it doesn't make sense.
It doesn't
because
add up.
uyathola umuntu ule 50K but ama likes akawafiki vele ngisho boma 100 likes and stuff.
And I was checking my accounts the other day, comparing to this other influencer that I would not mention, or I will mention because I'm sad. I realized no shade. No shade. I realized my likes I'm far much more better than theirs because I get likes and comments.
Yes, because it's people.
Yeah, it's actual people. But now tell me, I said, okay, you have this kind of followers, but engagement echo is very low.
How is that possible?
How many accounts do you reach in a month? And content yakho ayichazi to that extent ukuthi abantu abaningi abangasi abangako.
So vele ungadvise ukuthi ngithenge ama-followers?
No, I wouldn't.
Ngizikhulele organically.
Yeah, yazikhathaza. It's okay to blow it up and then keep controlling your following and stuff. And then abantu bekufollow.
But it doesn't make sense. How much was that? I think 10K followers was $50. I was like, hell no.
Yeah, bo. Then account yakho sebeyiheka.
Why would I think afake imali yangikhona ibe like boost umbibe kuma ads and stuff?
Boosting actually helps you get more following and more traction on your social media platforms. Lokuthi urobe uthenge 10K.
Awuphuma.
For what? Those aren't people.
I'm a robot. So like ku-BAA kwapana ntwana. When I was a but
Chinese.
at that time for understand and lamamba attack like BAA shout out. There's corner very BAA. Exactly. So if BAA, like, do you think but do you think you accommodate my upcoming artists?
Yeah, I sort of kind of think they do, but anymore.
No,
No, you know what? The reason why I'm saying it does, I'll talk about my friend Udet that got a BAA nomination, remember?
Yeah, I remember.
And she was upcoming by then. I'm born to really more than 5 years since poetry. That's actually more reason for them accommodating my upcoming.
Yeah.
And also Batumbani Kalo, Kelvin Mangena.
Oh, that guy is pushing, guys. Yo.
By the time I'm nominated, I think he won. wawina
Yes.
ukuthi thina vese singasaboni nix lapha lamabheki ngesikhathi sokuwina abantu abaningi
Also, boss of second.
sokukhala